how to add records to your Airtable base. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add records to your Airtable base. So if this is your question, just ensure you watch to the end so that you would not miss out on any important information. So the first step is to log in to your Airtable account. As you can see, this is my account. To know if this is your account, move to the top right corner and then you'll see your account page. Okay. And then the next step is to go ahead and select the base whose records you would like to add to. So I'll make use of this base of mine that I've created earlier and then I'll click on it. After clicking on it and you are brought to your page, the next thing to do is to hide this first. Yeah. And after hiding this, you can see your some options by the left side, such as grid, calendar, gallery, timeline, list, etc. And then on the main page, you can see different fields. You can see the A field, you can see the note field, you can see the assignee, you can see the status field. Now, for you to add the record, all you need to do is to go to the last number here, which is the number 3. Below it, you can see a plus icon. So once you click on this plus icon, you'll be able to add a new record. Okay, it's that simple. Once you click on the plus icon, a new record will be added, and then you can now type in whatever you want. As much as you click on it, new records will keep on adding and adding up. And if you don't want to make use of this plus icon here, just come to the lower part of the screen where you can see another plus icon and click on add as well. And then another icon will be added there. So another record will be added there as well. So this is how it works. This is how you can add a new record in add a new record in your Airtable base. And so you can just customize this by clicking on the expand icon. After clicking on expand and your record has expanded, you can add further details of that record into displayed boxes available. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.